time around 69. Man, we're killing time. We were young and restless. We needed to hide. I guess nothing can last forever, forever, yeah. Yeah. And now the times are changing. Look at everything was gone and gone. Sometimes when I play that old 6-string, I think about it, wonder what went wrong. Standing with your mama's sports, you told me that it lasts forever. Oh, when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Oh yeah, back to the summer of 69. That was summer of 69. Oh yeah, being me baby in 69. Oh. All right, good evening, everyone. Hello, ayan, mga taga-Infanta, Pangasinan. Isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. And I know you know this one, guys. Come on, say it with me if you know the lyrics. Come on, everybody, people at the back as well. Thinking about it is, there was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing could take you away from me. We've been down the road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want when you're lying here in my arms. Finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I find it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Alright, baba tayo para makita natin yung mga nagagandahan talaga tonight. Was it a life when you found someone who would turn your world around, bring you up when you're feeling down? Yeah, nothing could change what you mean to me. Oh, there's a lie that I could say, would just hold me now. 'Cause well, I really like the way. Here we go, come on. Louder, come on. Thank you. And love is all that I need, and I find it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Yeah, I've been waiting for so long for something Grabe yung pagmamahal ng mga taga-Infanta, Pangasinan. Thank you so much! Alam niyo kung ano tong sunod? Alright. I can't stop dreaming that it never ends. As long as you're gone with me, I swear, pretend I've been dreaming straight from the heart. You say it isn't that foolish to say that we were able to keep it this way, but it easier coming straight from the heart. Oh, give it to me. Tell me we can make one more start. You know I'll never go as long as I know coming straight from the heart. I see you want to spread some better time, and all the words were just fall out of line. Why we're dreaming coming straight from the heart. Isa pa, come on. Oh, give it to me straight. Tell me we can make one more start. You know I'll never go as long as I know coming straight from the heart. Oh, yeah. Don't ever leave me, darling. Yeah. Oh, straight from the heart. Tell me we can make one more stop. You know I'll never go as long as I know coming straight from the heart. Give it to me. Oh no, straight from the heart. Tell me we can make one more start. You know I'll never go as long as I know coming straight from the heart. Give it to me. Oh no, straight from the heart. You know I'll never go as long as I know coming. Thank you so much. Yeah, once again, a song from Bryan Adams. Ayan. Hello, everyone! Sa mga followers natin, sa mga subscribers natin sa YouTube, sa Facebook. Hello po sa mga nagpa-follow sa TikTok. Hello! Alright. Ang daming tao ngayong gabi. At syempre, sa mga mananalo ngayong gabi, no, congratulations. Meron tayong motor. Ayan, saka isang kotse. Napakaswerte ng mananalo ngayong gabi. Palakpak naman guys, kung sino man yon. Ayan, blessing yon at maswerte yung taong yun. Alright, our next song of course, we still have 10 million views I think on YouTube, and thank you once again for your support. Sa song na to, nakilala kami nung nasa Maldives pa kami, and then, well, OG Diaz reach out. And ayun, nagkaroon tayo ng chance na maging part ng OG Diaz Talents. So, my advice sa mga kabataan ngayon, kung ano man yung gusto nyong gawin sa buhay,
kung ano may yung talent nyo, guys, pagpatuloy nyo lang. And then one day, maybe. Kasi ngayon, sa panahon, hindi na imposible na maging sikat ka sa TV or sa kung ano mga telebisyon through social media. Napakabilis lang, kaya pagsipagan nyo. Di ba? Di ba? Alright. Sa mga sayaw man yan, sa pagkanta, sa kung ano man, pagluluto, o kung anything na talent nyo. Ayan, pagpatuloy nyo lang. Alright. Here's our next song from Kin. Yan. Sa mga kabataan naman tayo ngayon. Tapos na yung Bryan Adams para sa ating mga tito, tita. Come on, kids! I walk across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet, set by the river, and it made me complete. Everybody! I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me why you gotta let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you gotta let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. A simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you gotta let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go? So why don't we go? This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. Somewhere only we know. Alam na alam nila, oh. Ayan. Palakpak naman dyan, guys. Come on. Thank you so much for staying with me. And here's another one. Yeah, that's right. Yes. Marami bang single dito? Ang daming... It must have been love, but it's over now. Lay a whisper on my pillow, leave the winter on the ground. Wake up lonely, it's the air of silence in the bedroom and all around. Touch me now, I close my eyes, I dream away. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. From the moment we touched to the time I run out. Make believe it, we're together, that I'm sheltered by your heart. Eating outside, I've turned to water, like the teardrops in your palm. But it's a hard winter's day, I dream away. It's a turn. It was all that I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where the water flows, it's where the wind blows. Woo. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. From the moment we touched to the time that ran out. Yeah, it must have been love, but it's over now. It was something I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where the water flows, it's where the wind blows. It must have been love, but it's over now. Oh, oh, oh. It must have been love, but it's over now. Oh, oh, oh. It must have been love, I love you too, but it's over now. Oh, oh, oh. It must have been love, but it's over now. Oh, oh, oh. Nandun kaya? Nandun kay ate. Hello. Ayan, puputulin muna natin yung pakilig moment, ha? And mamaya after nito, maghahanap tayo ng single ladies. Alright. Marami ba single dito? Sure. Totoo? Alright, but before that, guys, maraming salamat once again, Mayor Marvin Martinez, and of course, Ma'am Melanie Martinez. Hello po, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And it's my first time here, and I think the band as well. It's their first time. And before that, like, you know, to those hindi pa nakapag-subscribe at nakapag-follow sa ating social media platforms, yan, J Heart Music, hanapin nyo lang. TikTok, and once again, Donnie on keys as well. Donnie on keys. And Aldi on drums. All right. Thank you. And Sangguniang Bayan members, headed by Vice Mayor Virgilio Villarta and SK officials, and its President Abencer Modelo. Hello po. At Sir Mark Anthony Mas of the Local Youth Development Office and staff, Mika Maniago and Rizaldes Silvestre Jr. and Ronnie Lazaro and Ann Morris. Hello. And Nino Bonilla, Cicid Consad, Mark Raboy, and Anthony Arisgado, and Alicia Milanyo, and once again, Happy Taraon Festival Infantanians. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Meron pa pala dito. Alright, so to Sir Clifford Miano of HRMO and Town Plaza, and Ma'am Mildred Hernandez of Peso Management Office, and Ma'am Florence Aquino of Tourism Office, and Ma'am Marites Basilia of MCR and staff, and R&R Events Organizing Services, and Arns Catering, and of course, Triskelion de Infanta Municipal Chapter. Ayan, mga Triskelion natin, nakita natin dyan sa likod kanina. Thank you po sa inyong suporta. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat. And let's move on to our next song. Yeah, just like what I've said earlier, we're looking for single ladies tonight. Meron ba dito? Meron dito. Ayan. Ay, baka magselos yung boyfriend nyo, ha? Yung totoo, yung single lang yung ating hanap. Ay, baka maibigan ninyo na kumanta, kasama ako dito. Di ba? Ayan. Kasi ito para to sa mga nagmamahal. Sa mga nagmamahal. Sa mga iniwan naman, meron tayong song mamaya para sa mga iniwan. Pero ito, para sa mga nagmamahal. Pero minsan kasi, pag sinachat mo, hindi na nagre-reply. Diba? Ang masaklap nun, umaasa ka pa. Pero, yung halos oras-oras mo chine-check yung phone mo, walang reply. Pero yung mga ganong bagay kasi dapat pinapa-ubayan nyo na lang. Di ba? Kasi pag para sa inyo yun, babalik at babalik sa iyo yun. Di ba? Hanap-hanapin yung yakap nyo. Di ba? Uy, si ate kinikilig. Alright. Sino dito ang gustong ma-in love tonight? Single ladies, come on. Dito sa side. Meron doon. Meron doon. Girls, come on. Huwag kayong mahiya. Sige ka, hanggang alas 5 ng umaga tayo dito pag walang tatayo. Paano na lang yung sasakyan tsaka motor? O, tara na. Meron ba dito? Single ladies. Nandoon sa likod? O, tara na. Sino dyan? Ayan, dyan. May tinuturo pa. Hi, hello. Hi. Nahihiya. Hello. Sino ba dyan? Saan na? Dito. Ayaw nilang lumabas eh. Dito ako, mag-iikot ako dito. Bababa tayo. Yung aakyat may bag. May J Heart Music na bag. Parang mabilis kayo ngayon, ha? Ayan, dito. Eto'y katuwaan lang. Ay. Si ate, single ka ba? Parang... i-check daw muna yung ID. Joke lang. Alright, hello po. Hello. Hindi pa man tayo nagsistart. Eto na yung bag para sa'yo. Hello. Ayaw nyo, ha? Akin na to. Alright. Ba't ka nahiya? Kaya nga nandito ka eh. Alright. Anong name natin?
Ami po.
Ami.
Yes po.
Alright, Ami. Masaya ka ba tonight? Masaya ka ba tonight, Ami?
Masaya ko.
Masaya. Ano muna pa marinig? Alright. So, Ami, ilang taon ka nang single?
Bago-bago pa lang po.
Bago-bago pa lang? Abay, may nagkamali pa! Joke lang. Alright. Ay, palakpak naman para kay Ami. Ayan, si Ami taga saan? Taga dito ba sa poblasyon?
Opo,
Or?
poblasyon po.
Alright. So, sino kasama ni Ami?
Mga kapatid ko po.
Ay, hello! Ayan. May, masarap ba ulam dun sa inyo mamaya? Ganun ka. Alright. Ayan. Kailan Mayor kanina, grabe. Mayor, halata naman. Nabusog pa kami. Maraming salamat sa food. Ayan. Thank you so much guys sa inyo. Alright, Ami, kakantahin natin yung basta yung para sa mga nagmamahal. Sinabi ko nga kanina pa. Pero ready ka na, ano?
Kumanta.
Ready? Oo. Alright.
Kahit sintonado.
Okay, game. Game tayo para kay Ami. Palakpak ulit. Wait lang, talikod ka daw. Pag nag-start na ako, lumingon ka. Kinakabahan si Ami.
Medyo lang.
Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga kampuhan. Away batin at hindi na namamalayan. Eto tayo hanggang sa huli. Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man. Nice. Seryoso na nga ako eh. Iyo ko palagi. Sarap, Amy. Palagi. Ang init. Kung balikan man ang hirap, luha at lahat. Kaya mo yan. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na pag napaligiran ng ingay at ang gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi, yan, ramdaman mo, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Mahal sa huli palagi, pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huli siglo. Sa huli pala, ang init eh, balik pa rin sa'yo hanggang sa huli pala. Pipiliin ko ano? Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman, iyo ko palagi. Oh, ayaw nyo kasing umakyat. Si Ami tuloy may kiss. Thank you so much, Ami. Alright, maraming salamat, Ami. At eto na yung huling hug natin. Ayan. Ayan, may kiss ka pa, oh. Punasan ko muna kasi may pawis. Kaya, ang bilis, ah. Ang bilis naman, Ami. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ami. Alright, ingatan natin si Ami. Ayan! Uy, ba't buhatin nyo dyan si Ami? Ami! 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 Thank you. Alright. Ayan, may request kanina sa likod na gusto nating itry ngayong gabi. At hindi ko talaga masyado kabisado yung song. Pero itatry natin para sa ating mga kaibigan dito sa Infanta, no? Sa mga staff. Of course, maraming salamat. Thank you, guys. Itatry natin yung request ninyo. At alam na alam nyo to. Pare ko, meron akong problema. Huwag mo sabihin na naman in love ako sa isang kolehiyala. Hindi ko maintindihan. Huwag na nating idaan sa mabuting usapan, lalo lang madaragdagan ang hindi sadya. Anong sarap kami naging magkaibigan, napuno ako ng pag-asa. Yun pala, hanggang doon lang ang kaya. Akala ko ay pwede pa. Masakit man isipin, kailangang tanggapin. Kung kailan ka naging seryoso, saka kanya gagaguhin. Oh, Diyos ko, come on! Ano ba naman ito, di ba? Na mukha akong tanga, pinaasa niya lang ako. Lecheng pag-ibig to. Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito? little crowd. Thank you so much, guys. Sabi niya, ayaw niya munang magkasyota. Dahil sa ko naniwala. Di nagtagal, naging ano na rin ang tema. Kulang na lang ay sagot niya. Bakit ba ang labo niya? Di ko maipinta. Hanggang kailan maghihintay? Ako ay nabuburat na. Pero minamahal ko siya, di biro. Tiil ako sa kanya. Alam kong nababadoyan ka na sa mga sinasabi ko. Pero sana naman ay maintindihan mo. O pare ko, meron ka bang maipapayo? Kung wala ay okay lang. Kailangan lang ay ang iyong pakikiramay. Andito ka ay ayos na. Masakit man isipin, kailangan tanggapin. Kung kailan ka naging seryoso, saka kanya gagaguhin. Oh, Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito, diba? Nagmukha akong tanga, pinaasa niya lang ako. Lecheng pag-ibig to. Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito, diba? Nagmukha akong tanga, pinaasa niya lang ako. Lecheng pag-ibig to. Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito? Ay, maraming salamat! Thank you guys for staying with me. Hello! Hi! Eh, ba't niyo tinutulak sa ate kanina? Ay, wala na. Ha? Gusto niyang umakyat? Alright. Alright. Mamaya ate ha. Pag Yes, here's our next song. Mamaya, gusto mo bang kumanta pa? Kasama ako? Uy, gusto niya rin. Baka mag-away kayo ni Ami. Ami, papayag ka ba? Hindi. Oo, ayaw ko yung magmumulan tayo. Ano kayo ha? Pagmumulan ng gulutong ano ha, ngayong gabi. Ayan. Mamaya na. And may t-shirt pa tayo dito na titira. Size medium na Macbeth. Kasi sponsored tayo ng Macbeth. So, sa maswerteng mabibigyan ng t-shirt na to. Ayan. Diyan sa likod, ano? Baka aabot rin yan dyan. This is a song for a broken-hearted.
silent prayer for faith departed. I ain't gonna be just facing the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. This is for the waters to the ground. For Tommy and Gina, and never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistakes. Look at it and look, you're gonna make it or break. It's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. Halika dito. Ayan, mag-picture tayo. Picture tayo, nakuha mo yung t-shirt. Ayan. Oh, may kasama ka. Ayan. Better stand tall when you're calling you out. Don't bend, don't break, baby, don't back down. It's my life. It's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. Bigyan ng tayo dyan! It's my life. My heart's like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. It's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. Oh, ikaw na. It's my life. Oh. Maraming salamat, madam. Thank you. All right. Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Bahala kayo dyan. Thank you. All right. Eh, may request pa, no? Pero, ayan, hindi natin alam yung request. Hello. Ayan. Baka si Mayor gustong makikanta sa akin. Mayor. Mayor, ano na? Alright, may request lang si Mayor kaso hindi natin alam yung request. Ayan. Ano pa? Ayan. May gusto rin kumanta. Yun ba? Yun ba yung sayaw? Yun yung gusto nyo Sige nga. Yun ba yun? Ayoko niya. Alright, maraming salamat. Hindi natin alam yung song. Pasensya na guys. Pero yung sunod natin na song, ayan, para kay Mayor tsaka kay Madam.
Sa inyo talaga to. Sa mga gustong makisayaw sa song, ano, sa mga magjojowa, sa mga first night nila ngayon, magdi-date, di ba? Baka meron dyan. Sana all may jowa. Uy, bakit wala? Hay! Mga... Alright. Alam na alam, kinikilig ka agad.
Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean to me. Such a heart, such a soul. It's not worth crying for. You can't tell me it's not worth dying for. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. Tell me it's not worth fighting for. I can't help it, there's nothing I want more. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. Oh, yeah. There's no lie, and the world could give our love. There's nowhere unless you're there all the time, all the way. Oh, look at you, hi, baby. Oh, you can't tell me it's not worth fighting for. I can't help it, there's nothing I want more. Yeah, I would fight for you, I'd lie for you, wonder why for you. Yeah, I die for you. You know it's true. Everything I do, I do it for you. You know it's true. Everything I do, yeah, I do it for you. Yeah. Everything I do, darling, you will say it's true. You will say it's true. Yeah.
All right, guys, sad to say, but this will be our last song for tonight. Thank you so much once again, Infanta Pangasinan. All right, excited na ba kayo sa ating papremyo tonight? Excited na ba? All right, sino kaya ang maswerteng mananalo ng Toyota Race, tsaka yung mga motor natin dito? Everybody, come on, here's a song from Queen. I want to break free. I want to break free. I want to break free from your lies. So satisfied I don't need you. I've got to break free. Yeah. God knows I want to break free. I've fallen in love. I've fallen in love for the first time, and this time I know it's for real. I've fallen in love. Yeah. God knows I've fallen in love. Strange, but it's true. Hey, I can't get over when you love me like you do, but I have to be sure when I walk out the door. Oh, I want to break free, baby. Oh, I want to break free. Oh, I want to break free. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are the champions, my friend. And we'll, come on. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for loser, 'cause we are the champions of the world. I'm taking my vows and my curtain calls. You brought me fame and fortune, everything that goes. I thank you all, but it's been no bed of roses, no pleasure cruise. I consider a challenge before you my race, and I'm gonna lose. We'll keep on fighting till the end. We are Thank you so much and good night everyone. Maraming salamat. Infanta Pangasinan, mga Infantanians, thank you so much for your support. Once again, J Heart Music. Maraming salamat and see you guys next time. Mayor, thank you po. Thank you po ulit. Thank you guys. Wala bang palakpak dyan? Thank you. And excited na ba kayo para dyan? Hep, hep! Good night. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Ayan, abangan nyo guys kung sino yung mananalo. Thank you.